Alright, we have another valid question about Ielts writing module, that if you are stuck at band 5 and you're looking for band 6 or 6.5 or even 7, how can you switch from band 5 to band 6? The first thing is you should know the difference. Like what is the caliber or what is the marking criteria for band 5 and what is the marking criteria for band 6. This is what we call band descriptors in Ielts. Now what you have to do, once you go home, go to Google and type there Ielts writing band descriptors. Right, Ielts writing band descriptors, and you will find band descriptor. Now what is a band descriptor? You know, in Ielts there are 4 marking criteria. The first marking criteria is task response. Now you should read band descriptor of band 7 for task response. There will be 4 to 5 points. They'll say, okay, for band 7 fully answers the question or fully does this and that and all that. After that, 7 band descriptor of grammatical range and accuracy. After that, 7 band descriptor of vocabulary. And in vocabulary, 7 band descriptor, they've used the word synonyms, they've used the word collocations, right? And then coherence and cohesion, 7 band descriptor. Now, if you are at band 5, read that also. See, this is where I am, and you should be aware. Like if you are getting 5 band, why are you getting 5 band? Read the band descriptor. Okay, 5 band means I repeat the same words time and again. 5 band means my grammatical range is very limited and I use them again. 5 band means I don't use compound and complex sentences. This is where you are. And band 7 descriptor is where you want to go. Now make a list. After doing that all, again I'm telling you, self-preparation can help you achieve your goal 100%. These coaching centers will close one day. मेरा अपना center भी बंद हो जाएगा. Okay, the way things are happening, people are actually learning independently and all that, right? Now you should see for 7 band criteria, this is what I need to learn in grammar, this is what I need to improve in vocabulary, this is what I need in coherence and cohesion, and then make a list, deal with these things, do more practice, and inshallah you will reach them. So you should be aware of that. Teachers will not tell you all these things in detail, but you have to learn all these things, and then you are ready. 7 band, choti si parchi, for 7 band grammar, 7 band vocabulary, 7 band this, 7 band that. Improve all these things and inshallah you will get there. Alright, I'm coming to that. One of my students from Multan, without any preparation, appeared in Ielts writing band score 6.5 and he was jumping. Sir, without preparation 6.5, but I need 7. Now I will do full preparation and I'll get 7.5. Like, you know, sometimes you become so confident. Without preparation 6.5, so iska matlab hai preparation se to 8 bhi aa jayega. He started 1 month plan. Alright, he watched videos on YouTube. 20 words to get 8 band. 15 sentences to get 7.5 band. He went to Google, 9 band essay. 1 month full struggle. After 1 month, that candidate appeared in Ielts. When he got the result, he called me angrily. Sir, इन्होंने मुझे 5.5 band दी है. Yeah, with preparation 5.5. Without preparation, like with preparation 5.5, without preparation 6.5, and we're saying मैं इन पे केस कर दूंगा, मैं आग लगा दूंगा. Yeah, something like that. Now what did he do? Literally in Ielts writing, students are working hard day and night to decrease their band score. You were asking me about that vocabulary, high 5 vocabulary. If you use that high 5 vocabulary without proper contextual meaning and need of those words in your essay, those will be the reason for low band score. If you learn some stock sentences, you know stock sentences, some people tell you eh jumla jithe bhi la de lag janda hai. Okay, ऐसा बेचारा बेजरर सा, ना masculine है ना feminine है, कुछ भी नहीं है, neutral है, जिधर मर्जी लगा दो लग जाएगा. These type of sentences will be the reason for low band score. So you should be aware when it comes to preparation. Once you follow band descriptors, you are very clear. And using difficult words, flowery words, high 5 vocabulary is not required. I mean, IELTS is a simple test. One of my students from another country, I think it was Maldives, he got 8 band in writing. He used good words, but you will not say any word out of the way, right? And if you go to Cambridge IELTS books, at the end of the book, they give you sample answers. Some sample answers are for 4 band, 5 band, but there are some sample answers for 7 band. Once you read them, you will realize they're simple. Those simple answers got 7 band. So one thing you should remember in IELTS writing, that is you have to be spontaneous. Spontaneous means मैं वो 15 वर्ड नहीं लगा रहा जिससे 10 बैंड आता है, 10 तो होता भी नहीं है, 9 बैंड आता है. Okay, I'm not using those 5 phrases which will give me 7.5 band and all that. Be spontaneous the way you are, the way you write English. Improve your grammar, improve your skills, but don't try to write anything which is crammed, which is ratta lagaya hua and all that, and you'll be fine with that. Okay, thank you.